Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to install FileZilla on Ubuntu 24.04. FileZilla is a powerful FTP client that makes uploading and managing files on remote servers super easy. Let's get started. First things first, let's make sure your system is up to date. Open your terminal and type the following command. FileZilla is available in Ubuntu's official repositories, so installation is super easy. Just run this command. Once installed, you can launch FileZilla from your Applications menu by searching for FileZilla. The version of FileZilla in the default Ubuntu repositories is often outdated. That's because Ubuntu prioritizes stability and long-term support over having the absolute latest versions of software in its official repos. Ubuntu's main repository only updates software for security patches, critical bug fixes. It doesn't track the latest feature releases from developers unless absolutely necessary. So even on Ubuntu 24.04, you might get an older FileZilla version unless you use an external repository. So let me remove the one I have installed and install one from xtradeb repository. This PPA personal package archive, maintained by xtradeb, provides more up-to-date versions of popular desktop applications like FileZilla, VLC, OBS, Studio Audacity, and so on. It's trusted by many Ubuntu users, and it's a convenient way to get the newest stable release of FileZilla without compiling from source. The sudo apt-update command I just run makes the system aware of the new repository you just added. This command now pulls the latest version from the xtradeb PPA, not the older one in Ubuntu's default repo. You're now running the newer version, and that's it. FileZilla is now installed on your Ubuntu 24.04 machine. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux and open source tips.